There's been several times where I've spent hours investigating an idea and then get to the end and go, no, this is shit. It's-
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's Monday, July 2nd, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. European stocks are higher despite mixed APAC cues, while US futures edge up with the Russell 2000 leading. The dollar rebounds, with Dixie targeting 97.000, yen lags, euro and pound slip. Bonds are weaker, especially UK gilts after a welfare reform U-turn. US Treasuries await key data, crude rises on light news, metals are mixed. Focus ahead, US jobs data, Canadian PMI, NBP decision, and ECB speakers. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
All right, let's go ahead and start with the currency pairs. You're looking at the Aussie USD pair right now. This puppy is trending to the downside. It's bearish right now, very strong trend. We have not oversold it yet. Volume is still relatively low. The last pivot was here. You'll notice these little lines here. This is something I'm working on. Just ignore them for now because it doesn't work the way I want it to yet. Price has been kind of chopping through this order pool here and appears to be on its way down to that order pool, which is where I predict it would probably bounce up from. But we will wait and see. So it's currently bouncing off of that, but I think it could still go up here and down here and do one of those. So keep that in mind. All right, US Canadian dollar. This is a trade that I'm currently in. The pivot point was right here. Right now, the trend is going the wrong way on me, but it's bearish. The background of this is yellow, so we're right in the middle of the relative strength. So that hasn't made a commitment one way or the other. The volume is normal here, so we got decent volume on this. This thing has been chopping. I've been in this thing since last night, and this thing's been chopping back and forth like crazy. I think we're going to slowly creep up, depending on, they got the big, beautiful bill through the Senate yesterday, so now it needs to creep through the House. Any rumors or bullshit about that will probably make price bounce around like crazy today. So keep your eyes and ears peeled for that.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
US Chief, this is currently, what's it doing? Oh, it's in neutral zone. The line is white, so that's neutral, but it was trending to the upside before. Kept hitting all these S&Ps here. You'll notice almost every single one of them worked a little bit. The blue ones I usually fade. This one worked super good. This is worth mentioning because I played and traded these for a few days. So as soon as these form, it's a pretty sure bet to fade them or short them or long, depending on the direction.
Right.
But eventually, because it is a momentum indicator and it is identifying momentum in a direction, they do resume that direction. So, for example, you could have shorted this and made a little bit of money and got out and then gone right back in long until the next one, done the same thing, got right back in long, etc. You know what I mean? I like to keep
Sam.
this simple. I'm just like you. I just keep coming up with ideas. Oh, what if I captured this? What if I captured that? What if I had this data? Does that help me do anything? There's been several times where I've spent hours investigating an idea and then get to the end and go, no, this is shit. It's-
Never
Reset.
code of, yeah, 8 hours of coding. Nah, you know what? I'm
Yeah,
just done.
it might be a dead end. It's really weird the way the human mind can take so much data and simplify it and come up with a really elegant solution, whereas AI can
Hmm.
just create this clusterfuck like you've never seen.
I know.
So anyway, that's what that's all about. All right,
All
pound US
right.
dollar.
Yeah, this was
Um,
tanking.
this one is tanking like crazy. We are definitely in a downtrend. This market structure thing is showing me it's got a 90% confidence level. This was the thing that I was working on, which was really fun. I'm working on a system to guesstimate where profit targets and stop losses should be. So I said I wanted an indicator to show me when I've breached my stop loss. So it came up with these little skulls and X's. I thought that was really funny.
Oh, there you
Um,
go. Yeah, I was wondering. I'm going, wow, that's a new signal.
And then if you hit the profit target, that's that. So in order to see what it
Hmm.
actually was doing here, this was the signal it's working from, this pivot right here. So it said, here's the
Really?
stop loss,
Hmm.
okay? And here's the short target. So it actually hit right here. So underneath that label
Gotcha.
is a little bullseye, right? Here, you can see it here when it hits the thing. And when it breaches the stop loss, it makes the little skulls. So it is working the way I want it to work. I just want to adjust the targets for scalping and not like position trading or swing trading. Because right now,
Right.
if you look at some of the other instruments, those are very far apart. I don't want to take that much risk, I guess is what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm going to work on this morning to tighten up those projections so that they reflect a scalping strategy and not a swing trading strategy. So at least that's the plan.
Looking. All right, we'll see.
All right.
All
That's all
right.
I got for today.
All right then.
Oh, I
Cool.
had an old fashioned at Ogilvy in your honor yesterday.
Ah, that must have been fantastic.
It was awesome.
All
All right. I'll see you
right,
later.
sir.
Take it
Enjoy.
easy.
Happy trading.
You too.